M-West here, and today I'll be showing you how to connect up your ROG Xbox Ally X to a monitor using a USB-C cable. You won't need one of these pricey docks. You've already spent either $500 or $1,000 on the ROG, and you don't need to spend any more money. So the type of cable that you need is going to be a USB-C to HDMI cable. You can get either HDMI 2.0 or HDMI 2.1. So you don't want to get something that's too pricey or overkill, but I'll go ahead and put the two that I suggest in the description below, and I'll show you which one I actually have here at home that was just kind of lying around in a box for me to do this test. All right, so right now I'm rocking a Uni, a really cheap brand that I got off of Amazon a long time ago. Pulled it out of a box, save all my cables, and I was like, I wonder if this works. And believe it or not, it worked super easy. So I'll go ahead and connect this up. I'll pop that in right at the top. I'll go ahead and get this connected to my capture card. And then I'll go ahead and connect this to power. If you're using it in desktop mode, I would always suggest connecting it up to power. All right, but you need to be able to see the monitor that is actually working, and it was so simple. So I'll go ahead and switch over to another scene so you can see that. So just like that, we have the ROG connected to my monitor just using a USB-C cable. I didn't need an expensive dock or anything like that. As you can see here, as I scroll and move through, you can see it on the handheld cam, and then you can see it on screen. And can we get a shout out for whatever this thing is? Whatever this little thing is, I don't even know what camera, whatever this little thing is that came with the ROG. It's paper, it's plastic, I don't know. It is super handy and convenient. You can just take it anywhere, throw it in your bag, and it just works. Oh, why to interact? And just like that, we were able to connect the ROG up to my monitor using a cheap $12 USB-C cable. Now docks, they range between, I've seen them as low as $30 and as expensive as $130 or $140. So depends on how much you want to spend. Some of the benefits of this, it comes with some additional USB ports so that you can do some additional charging, multiple different ways, so that you can kind of connect it up to different monitors and different setups. So I really like the dock. But in a pinch, having that USB-C to HDMI cable, you can't beat it at $12, right? So if you guys like these types of videos, tech videos, handheld videos, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Other than that, I am out, YouTube. Peace.